Evolution of computer languages. First generation or machine language. A computer can understand only special signals which are represented by ones and zeros. These two digits are called binary digits. On state represent the binary digit 1 and off state represent the binary digit 0. The instructions in machine language are made up of binary numbers. This makes the language suitable for the understanding of the computer but more difficult to interpret and learn by the human programmer. Second generation or assembly language. The assembly language was developed in 1950. This language used letters and symbols instead of binary digits. Programs written in assembly languages are called assembly codes. Third generation language. The languages of above generation were machine-specific languages. The next step in the development of computer languages was high-level language. A language that is quite similar to English language and was simple as well as user-friendly. Advantages of high-level languages. Programs written in high-level languages are easier to understand and read. It is easier to debug a program in high-level language. Programs written for one computer can run on different computers. Examples are Pascal, Fortran, Basic, COBOL, C, C++, and Visual Basic. Fourth generation languages. The fourth generation languages are closer to human-like languages than the typical high-level languages. They are easier to learn and write. These programming languages are designed to reduce the overall time, effort, and cost of the software development. Examples are Oracle Forms, PLSQL, SQL. Fifth generation languages. The fifth generation programming languages are also known as natural languages. They provide a visual or graphic interface called a visual programming environment for creating the programs. These programming languages are designed to make the computer solve a given problem without the programmer. Thus, the user does not need specialized knowledge. Examples are Prolog, Mercury.